Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the guide to control the match. How to fill common list or basic control in eFootball 2024 so you can master this game. I made this video is for beginners that are still new into this game. For example, how to complete the mission, the challenge, so you can get a ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tapping the extras and tap this option help, comments and how to play each mode. Tap, and this one, tap this common list. As you can see, this is the basic control you can learn from this common list. Set piece also, just tap, for example, the dribble. So this is the layout. For example, sharp touch, you can flick while pressing dash, quick stop, double tap this one. Shield, also double tap while pressing dash, and many more. And also, for example, shoot. This is how to aim while shooting. Just hold while pressing another button. Chip shot, flick the shot up, button up. Stunning shot, flick the shot button to the right or the left. Or control shot, flick the shot button down. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.